Hi, and welcome to the live poll tutorial. Live polls are a great tool to let your users have a say in company affairs and get them more involved. A live poll can easily be created as an update. Navigate to the Updates category and click on Add New. We'll start from scratch here and choose Live Poll. Insert your question above and give it a nice background. Input all the relevant options and adjust the settings to meet your poll's needs. Click Next to follow the publishing funnel. Once your update is published, your users can begin to vote on it. You can even create a live poll from your mobile app. Click on the Admin tab, select Updates, and create New. Follow the same steps. Add live poll, insert the question in the top section, and input all the relevant options for your users to choose from. Confirm by pressing Add Live Poll. Give it a nice background and click on Publish to publish it to your users.